see the another word problem. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Find the fraction. So in this problem we have to find fraction. So let the numerator of fraction be x. We are consider x for the numerator and y for the denominator. So our required fraction is x upon y. Now read the first line again. The denominator of a fraction, denominator means y. Denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Here is our first condition. Twice its numerator means 2 times of numerator. What is numerator? Numerator is x. 2 times means 2x. Now after multiplying x with 2, the denominator of fraction is 4 more. It means that y is more than 2x by 4. Therefore, we need to add 4 right side. Therefore, 2 side will become equal. Therefore, equation can be written as y equal to 2x. Here we should add 4. Therefore, both sides will become equal. Therefore, by the first condition, our equation is y equal to 2x plus 4. Now write this equation in the form of ax plus by equal to c. xy should be on one side and constant should be on other side of equal sign. Therefore, transpose y to right side. Plus y become minus y and 4 to left side. Therefore, plus 4 become minus 4. Then equation become minus 4 equal to 2x as it is plus y transpose to right side. Therefore, plus y become minus y. Therefore, our equation can be written as 2x minus y equal to minus 4. 2x minus y equal to minus 4. That is our first equation. Now read the second line. If 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the denominator become 12 times the numerator. Our denominator is y and numerator is x. Now 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. Therefore, subtract 6 from y and subtract 6 from x. Now what will become after subtraction? The denominator become 12 times the numerator. This is a numerator. Therefore, denominator become 12 times numerator. Therefore, 12 into numerator. Now, after multiplication, numerator with 12, both sides will become equal. Therefore, by the second condition, y minus 6 equal to 12 into x minus 6. Now, multiply each term by 12. Therefore, 12 into x, 12x minus 12 6 are 72. Now, here y is transposed to right side, plus y become minus y. And minus 72 is transposed to left side, therefore minus 72 become plus 72. Minus 6 as it is, minus 72 become plus 72 equal to 12x as it is, plus y become minus y. Now write xy on the left side and constant term on the right side. Therefore 12x minus y equal to 72 minus 6 gives us 66. Now we have found equation 1 and equation 2. These are the again simultaneous equations. Observe the coefficient of y in both equations. Coefficient of y in both equations are same and analyze the sign. Signs are also same. Now if signs are same, we subtract one equation from the other equation so that the variable can be eliminated. So we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Right? Both equation one below the other. Now when we subtract the equations, we need to change the sign of this equation. Plus sign changes to minus sign change to plus sign, minus sign change to plus sign. Here 12x minus 2x gives us 10x. Minus y plus y get cancelled. Here we have to consider this change new signs. 66 plus 4. Now the sign of 4 is plus. 66 plus 4 gives us 70. Now 10 is transposed to right side, therefore x equal to 70 upon 10. Therefore x equal to 10 7s are 70, x equal to 7. Value of x is 7. Now find the value of variable y. Put this value of x in equation 1. Putting x equal to 7 in equation 1. Here is our first equation. 2x. Now put 7 at the place of x. Therefore 2 into 7 minus y as it is equal to minus 4 also as it is. 2 7s are 14 minus y as it is equal to minus 4 also as it is. Minus y equal to minus 4. 14 plus 14 is transposed to right side. Therefore plus 14 become minus 14. Minus y equal to minus 4 minus 14 gives us minus 18. Both side of minus sign will be cancelled. Therefore y equal to 18. Now our required fraction is x upon y. Value of x is 7. Value of y is 18. Therefore required fraction is 7 upon 18. Here is another problem from practice set 1.5. Here is a given rectangle. I am a rectangle. Length and breadth is given in the form of variable x and y. We have to find the values of x and y and then perimeter and area of rectangle. Now we know that opposite sides of rectangles are of equal length. Therefore 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y, and 2y and x plus 4 are equal. Therefore both these opposite side will be equal, opposite sides of rectangle. Now we need variable x and y on one side and constant on other side of equal sign. Therefore we transpose 4x and y to left side. Therefore sign of 4x and y will be changed. Plus 4x become minus 4x, minus y become plus y. 2x and y is as it is. Plus 8 become minus 8. Now 2x minus 4x, that gives us minus 2x. Y plus y gives us plus 2y equal to minus 8. Now dividing both sides of equation by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Therefore minus x plus y equal to 2 4s are 8. Therefore minus 4. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, that is 2y and x plus 4 will be equal because they are the opposite sides of rectangle. Therefore 2y equal to x plus 4. Now we need variable on one side, constant on other side. So I write here equal sign as it is, x as it is, 2y is transposed to right side, therefore plus 2y become minus 2y, and plus 4 transposed to left side, that will become minus 4. Therefore we can write this equation as x minus 2y equal to minus 4. Okay, now this is our second equation, x minus 2y equal to minus 4. Now we have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now observe the sign. Now observe the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 1 and here coefficient of x is minus 1. Coefficients are numerically equal but their sign are different. When the sign are different, we add the equation to eliminate variable. Therefore, equation 1 plus equation 2. We are adding both these equations. Write this equation one below the other. Minus x plus x get cancelled. Plus 1y minus 2y, that gives us minus 1y. Here greater number has minus sign, therefore y has minus sign. Minus 4 gives us minus 8 according to rule of signs. Both sides have minus sign, therefore minus sign will be cancelled. Y is equal to 8. Now put this value of y in equation 1. Here is our equation 1. Minus x as it is, put 8 at the place of y, therefore minus x plus 8 equal to minus 4. Now minus x as it is, equal sign as it is, minus 4 as it is, plus 8 is transposed to right side, plus it becomes minus 8. Minus x right as it is, equal sign, minus 4 minus 8 gives us minus 12. Both side of minus sign will be cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 12. Now we find the length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 4x minus y. You can also take 2x plus y plus 8. Here I take length 4x minus y. Now put the value of x and y. 4 into 12 minus 8. 4 to is 48 minus 8 as it is. 48 minus 8 gives us 40. Now breadth of rectangle. Breadth of rectangle is 2y. You can also take x plus 4. Here I take breadth as 2y. Now put value of y, that is 8. 8 to the 16. Now we have to find the area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. Formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 40, breadth is 16. After multiplication we get 640 square units. That is the area of rectangle. And formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Put value of length and breadth. Length is 40 and breadth is 16. 40 plus 16 gives us 56. 56 multiplied by 2 gives us 112 units. Now we have to find values of x and y. Here our value of x is 12 and value of y is 8. Then find perimeter and area. Here we have found area of rectangle is 640 square units and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 112 units. Okay, is that clear? If you have any queries, post in comment box. We will meet again with new video. Till then, goodbye.